Welcome back. Welcome back to another video in which we're gonna be learning how to make a dinosaur game, T-Rex dinosaur game, whatever, in Scratch, step by step for beginners. This is part 2. I hope you enjoyed part 1 where we made the jumping thingy, and for this time we're gonna be making a ground thingy. Seriously, I have to delete this because I just tested it. Yeah, before I show you the guys. Yes, these all are code by myself, but I think so I took a little idea from someone else of this jumping thingy, but yeah, mostly of myself in this also. Yeah. So today, what is our target? That we want the ground to be moving, like the dino is moving instead. The ground will be moving instead of a dino, because if it reaches the corner, we are gonna have to bring it to the back. So instead, we can make the ground move. But how? There are two methods. One is a duplicating method and one is a cloning method. If you're not familiar with a clone, means create clone of myself. Create clone of Dino, create clone of myself. That's gonna happen. Means it's gonna create another clone and whatever we plan it to do, which is in here. Yeah. So let's quickly get started of the code, not the clone. Okay, so when click this, it's supposed to go to this position. No, not this position. It's supposed to X should be a better way. X should be this. X should be this. Go to X negative 15, and yes, it's going in negative 15 and it should be over here always. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to a ground. It's in the place negative 15. That's good for us. Ah, yes. Now what we need is a forever loop. And so that we don't make a little mistake, I'm going to be setting a y to this in the forever loop. And so what we can do is if then block. Oh, sorry. We have to make a variable. I'll just delete this. Called move. Yeah, move. This video is going to be pretty short. This variable is move, and we're gonna be setting a move to negative 11 or negative 11. Yeah, negative 11 only. And we want the ground to move. So how will we do that? We can take this thing called change y by. Y means this, sleeping, and sorry, x by. X means sleeping, y means standing. So this is our change y by. If we want, we can put it 11 like we did in move, but instead we can put change y by move. Oh, sorry, change y by move. What does this do? Means it's gonna be changing y by what is moves. Oh, come on. What is moves value? Moves value is negative 11. It's the same negative 11 or 10. So yeah, this is what we can change anytime. Now let's go add in a for if then block. If then block will help me in doing what happened. I'll just put this in the right place and it's never on it. I'm gonna be taking a if then y position motions. Y position is a ready-made variable, means it's already automatically there. Y position, X position, we don't have to like make it add formula and blah blah. This is what I hate the most. So we are gonna take what do you call this smaller than means x position is gonna go on negative side, means it's slowly gonna go and disappear. So this is our if it is lesser than, x position is lesser than negative 2, when the negative 2, oh sorry, what happened, negative 526, but instead of 526 we're gonna take 525, because lesser than can be more less or a little lesser. Okay, so this is done, but what are we gonna do if it's gonna reach here? We're gonna make it go to set x to, instead of negative 525, I'm gonna make it 525 or 526, which is possible. It's the opposite side of negative 526. Like it's over here, okay? So this. So what we're gonna do is it's gonna go back right there and perfect. This is our, oops, what did I do? I've listed x position is lesser than negative 525. Yes, it is perfectly fine. Or it's greater than. That will be wrong. X position is greater than, x position is greater than negative 525. Yeah, it's reaching negative 528. So what I can do is I can put negative 527. Yeah, 5, oh, not 30. 27. I'll give it a test. Oh shoot. I did something else. I think it's a problem in this. I'll say. Okay. Uh, yes, it's actually perfect. What happened? I don't know, but yes, it was working really well. It was working really well when I was testing it right now. So yeah, there's a little bit problem. There's a little problem, I'll say. Yeah, little problem with this. Y position is smaller than 127 negative. Yeah, then it should. Okay, I'll say go to. Instead of that, go to negative, not negative, instead 528. Yeah, so let's test it out. Instead of that, if I add, I think it's a problem with my. Yes, it is a problem with my Y position is smaller. Oh, shoots! I added Y position. This is actually an X position. That's why what the problem was. Now it'll work. It's so perfect. It looks really nice, but there's a small problem. Oh my. What? It's leaving a little gap, which we don't want. And that's what a clone is meant for. There's another method, or if you know more, just comment me down. I'm gonna put a create clone of myself, means not in the forever loop. And yes, when I start as a clone, that give me some space. Oh shoots. That means it's like a when flag click for a clone. It's supposed to go to, wait, I'll just ignore that, forever loop. Y to duplicate, and it's supposed to go to, let's see, go to, no, instead of that it's gonna go to Let's see. 528, 8, and yes, this is perfect. Not bad. And this is our cloning system, a forever moving ground. Yeah, this is nice. I like it a lot. Way more than others. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, good. I'll say not bad. And I think so this is what was for today. We're gonna be making a clone. Okay, explanation time. It's okay. I hope you guys know already. Knowing is the most important thing. Yes. Save now. Hold on. And don't forget to save your project. And this is the Dino T-Rex game. I hope you understand the cloning well. If you didn't, I'll make a separate video for you guys to understand cloning. So yes, see you later. And part 3 is coming up really soon. Right next. Bye bye.